Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to convert gram to ounces in Google Sheet using a simple formula. If you work with weights, you often need to switch between grams and ounces. And here's a useful fact. 1 gram is equal to 0.03527396 ounces. Let's take an example. I have a value 100 grams and I want to convert it into ounces. Click on an empty cell and type this formula. Then press enter. You will get 3.527396. To round it to two decimal places, use this formula. Now the result is 3.53 ounces. Then drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the values in the list. And that's it. Let me know in the comments if you want the reverse conversation, ounces to grams or any other unit conversion in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching.